Okay, so in last lecture we have seen problems on the interval. What was the interval?
Minus pi to pi.
We have seen examples on minus pi to pi. More examples on the same interval we'll see today. So we are writing the next question. Find the Fourier series of f of x is equal to 1 plus 2x upon pi in minus pi to 0 and 1 minus 2x by pi in 0 to pi. Hence deduce that pi square by 8 is equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus so. Okay, this is the question, and once we have the question, the very first thing we check in your given question is the what?
Interval.
Interval, right? So here the given interval is, can you just tell me the given interval?
Minus pi to pi.
Minus pi to pi.
Correct? Is it minus pi to pi? It started with minus pi, it ends with pi with one discontinuity, and discontinuities are okay for the Fourier series. So the given interval is minus pi to pi type. And as it is so, we have to check,
Function
Function
is
is even or
right, to check f of x is even, odd, or neither even nor odd. This is your job in such intervals. Means what do we check here? F of
minus x.
right. If it is equal to f of x, then function will be
even.
even. And if it is minus of f of x, then function is
Odd.
and if it is neither of that, then
Neither even nor odd.
right. So this given function f of x, I am writing it again 1 plus 2x upon pi in minus pi to 0 and 1 minus 2x by pi in 0 to pi. Generally, if it is a single function defined on the whole interval minus pi to pi, it's easier, right? But if it breaks, accordingly, we have to check it even odd. So what we do here we replace x everywhere in this f of x by minus x, right? To check. So we are doing that. That is f of minus x is equal to, wherever is x, you replace it by minus x. So it was 1 plus 2x, x is now minus x upon pi. In this interval was minus pi is less than x, but x is now minus x less than 0. Here it was 1 minus 2x by pi. So x is now minus x by pi. In the interval 0 to pi was the interval. Now we replace x by minus x. Everywhere, wherever is x, replace by minus x. Okay, so what we did here is we replaced, just a minute, we replace in this f of x, x by minus x. Here also minus x, wherever is it. Here is 1x, it is minus x. This is minus x and this is also minus x. Okay, so now it is nothing but 1 plus minus 2x by pi minus it is plus 1 plus 2x by pi. Give me a minute, please. Okay, if do you know this relation if A is greater than B, what is the relation between minus A and minus B? That is, 3 is greater than 2, we know this. But what is minus 3 and minus 2's relation?
-3 less than -2.
Right? So if we change the signs on both sides, here the sign get opposite. So if it is greater, it becomes less. Okay. And if it is, just a minute, okay. So if it is A is greater equal B, then what is its opposite sign? If we replace the signs on both sides, greater equals opposite is strictly less. Okay. If it is A is less than B, what is the opposite of that? If we change the signs on both sides, less than becomes
Greater than.
greater or equal. Okay, these are some relations. So you just remember one. First one, if A is greater than B, then if we change signs on both sides, the greater becomes less. Okay. So you can add one more thing, like if A is greater than B is greater than C, right? Then what will be the relation?
A
If
less
we
than
change
B
all the
less than.
signs, minus A, minus B, minus C, what will be the relation?
Less than.
Less than, less than. But at the same times, we should replace all the signs. Okay, same is here. Here is negative, and 0 can also be negative. त्याला फरक पडत नाही. मग सगळे साइन जर तुम्ही बदलले, म्हणजे इथे होईल पाय. First change all the signs. This is x and 0, and then less becomes greater. Is it correct? Because आपल्याला हे मायनस एक्स मध्ये इंटरवल नकोय. इंटरवल शुड बी इन एक्स, म्हणजे आपल्याला साइन तर एकाचे नाही बदलता येणार. सो सगळ्यांचे बदलून टाकायचे. इथे पण मायनस एक्स आहे, जे आपल्याला नकोय, एक्स हवाय. चेंज ऑल द साइन्स. 0, x, and here minus pi. And here is less, that becomes what?
Greater.
Greater and greater. Everyone is clear? Because we want it in x, function should be in x, so this interval should also be in x. If it is in minus x, we are changing sign of all the terms there, and then less becomes greater. Okay, so this is nothing but 0 greater than x greater than minus pi can also be written as minus pi. What? Minus pi कडे कुठला sign आहे? Less than x, x less than 0. Is this two same?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. What about this? How can we write this? 0
less than
less than x less than pi. This both are same. Okay. So in next step, we are doing that. And if we check the original function, the first interval is minus pi to 0. And we are getting here minus pi to 0. So we are writing this first. Corresponding function is this, then this, and corresponding function is this. Right. So we get f of minus x is equal to f of minus x is equal to, we are writing this first, 1 plus 2x by pi. In what interval? This interval, minus pi to 0. And 1 minus 2x by pi. In what interval?
0 to pi.
Now check this f of minus x, whatever we got. Is it equal to f of x? Check your function.
Yes.
Check this. This was your given f of x. 1 plus 2x by pi in minus pi to 0. Yes. 1 plus 2x by pi in minus pi to 0. And this in 0 to pi. So it is exactly same as f of x. If we change all the signs in your function and we check if it is remain the function itself, then this is the
Even function.
Even
Right.
function.
Right. So as f of minus x is f of x, function is even function. And as it is even function, what we can say? What we can say as even function?
Bn equal to 0.
Right, Bn is directly 0, right? We need not to find Bn then. And its Fourier series is, what is the Fourier series? The Fourier series will not have Bn as it is 0. So it will have only A0 and An in it. An cos nx. N is 1 to infinity, equation 1. Where A0 is, can you just tell me A0?
1 upon
1
pi.
upon pi.
1 upon pi, correct. 0 to,
0 to pi.
right, f
F
of x dx. And An is,
2 by pi. 0
right,
to
right. 0 to pi f of x into cos nx dx. These two terms we need to find and substitute in equation 1, and then we'll get the required Fourier series. So we go with A0. So A0 is 1 upon pi, 0 to pi. What is f of x? Okay, this is your function, A0. But what is the function? F of x, I'm writing it here. 1 plus 2x by pi in minus pi to 0, and 1 minus 2x by pi. Check once, have I written it correctly? 0 to pi. Check this correctly, Lata. Correct? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now we are writing A0. A0 is 1 upon pi, 0 to pi, f of x dx, right? Now we have to put this f of x here. So what is your f of x? As we are taking integration over 0 to pi, right? So which function you are going to consider?
1
The
minus
function, right, on the interval 0 to pi. आता इथे मायनस पाय टू पाय असा प्रकारच नाहीये आपल्याला इंटिग्रेशनचा. मग मायनस पाय टू पाय असता तर तो ब्रेक झाला असता मायनस पाय टू 0, 0 टू पाय. बट फॉर्म्युला आपण ऑलरेडी मॉडिफाय केलेला आहे आणि इंटिग्रेशन काढायचे 0 टू पाय वरती. मग 0 टू पाय वरती, 0 टू पाय वरती जे फंक्शन आहे तेच आपल्याला घ्यायचे. काय फंक्शन?
1 minus 2x upon pi.
राईट. एव्हरीवन इज क्लिअर? कारण 0 टू पाय वर आहे म्हणून 0 टू पाय वरच फंक्शन आपण घेतोय. 0 टू पाय वरच फंक्शन आपल्याला हवं. नाउ इंटिग्रेट 1 by pi integration 1 dx x minus 2 by pi as it is integration x. What is that?
X square upon 2.
X square by 2.
Right. 2 to get cancelled. This is from 0 to pi. Okay, so 1 by pi. Upper limit we can write now x as pi. So pi minus pi square by pi. Now lower limit minus x is 0. So 0 minus 0 by pi 0. 1 pi get cancelled here. Pi minus pi, is it 0? 1
Yes.
by pi
Yes.
into 0. Pi minus pi. This is also 0. So A0 is 0. Everyone is getting A0 0?
Yes.
Right. Clear? Now we can go to AN. AN. Define AN. 1 by pi or 2 by pi?
2 by pi.
2 by pi. 0 to pi. F of x into cos nx dx. But on 0 to pi we are writing the function. So what is the function?
1 minus 2x upon pi.
1 minus 2x by pi.
Correct. Into cos nx dx. How will you solve this integration?
Leibniz rule.
Can we apply Leibniz rule?
Yes.
Yes. How? What is your U? What is your V?
1
1
minus
minus 2x upon pi is 0.
And
Its
equals to 0.
derivative is getting 0.
Yes.
Yes, very good. So this is your U, this is your V, this is integrable, its derivative is getting 0, so we can easily apply Leibniz. Okay, then it is u as it is. 1 minus 2x by pi into what?
Sin nx upon
Integration of this. What is integration of cos?
Sin nx upon
Sin
n.
nx upon n. Perfect. Then
Derivative of minus 2x upon
sin
minus
minus. Derivative of this. What is the derivative of this term?
2 upon pi.
Once a 0 and this is with sign minus 2 upon pi. Is this correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Integration of this term next. Integration of sine
Minus cos nx upon n.
minus cos nx upon n square.
upon minus cos nx upon n into already one n, that is n square. Is this over?
Yes.
As its next derivative is 0.
Zero.
So this is done. This is from 0 to pi. So this is 2 by pi. We can put upper limit now. If it is pi here,
0.
sin n pi is 0. 0 into anything is 0. Now, if we put pi here, it will survive, and minus means there is
minus
Minus
2 cos n pi upon pi n square. Yes, upper limit done. Minus lower limit. If x is 0, now up you are writing x as 0. Sine 0. What is that?
0.
0 into anything? 0.
Zero.
Right. Once again, 3 negative minus 2 cos 0 upon pi n square. Upper lower limits done. Sorry, here it is like minus, not minus. So 2 by pi minus 2 cos n pi. What is the value?
minus
Minus
1.
2n.
This way.
Right. Upon pi n square minus plus 2. What is cos 0?
1.
1 upon pi n square. And what is common here?
2 upon pi.
Right. 2 upon pi n square is common. Yes, we take it out. Here it is 1 and here it is minus of minus 1 raised to 8. So we get an is equal to 2 into 2, 4 upon pi into pi square
N square.
n square 1 minus 1 raised to n as your an. Do we have to find bn?
It is already 0.
No,
No.
bn is already 0, right? So we have to find only a naught an, both are done. So we can put it in equation number 1. That is the required Fourier series. Therefore, 1 becomes f of x is equal to f of x is brick, right? And as if the functions, just a minute, we are here, right? Function is breaked into 2 parts. So as function break, it's okay that for that f of x, we are not writing there the function. We just write it as f of x. So f of x is equal to a naught. What is a naught?
0.
Zero.
Right, 0
0.
plus summation. What is an? Just now we have find 4.
4 by pi square n square.
Right. Into 1 minus 1 raised to n. An into cos nx is the required Fourier series. You can remove that 0 if you want. Okay, there is deduction. How is the deduction? Is it open or is it inside summation?
Open.
Open. So we need to open up the summation. So therefore, f of x is equal to 4 and pi square, as they don't depend on n, they comes out of the summation as constant. And here it is upon n square into cos nx. All the terms of n are inside sum. Okay, so we are going to open this up. So it is f of x is equal to 4 by pi square into, if n is 1, what is the value here?
2 upon n square.
Are you checking? If n is 1, minus 1 raised to 1. What is that? Minus 1. And 1 minus minus 1.
1 plus 1.
Plus 1. 2 upon n is 1. 1 square cos 1x. First term. Can you check the second? If n is 2. If n is 2, minus 1 square plus 1. 1 minus 1, that is 0. For second, it is 0. Check for the third. If n is 3,
2 upon
minus
3.
1 cube is minus 1, 1 minus minus 1, 2, 2 upon 3 square cos 3x. What will be next term?
0.
0.
What will be next?
2 upon
Square
5
cos
cos
5
5.
square cos 5x. And
5.
so on, next 0 and so on, right?
Yes.
Yes. So this is the, then we should check now our, can I call it 2? Call it equation number 2. Check our deduction. What is there in that? 1 upon 1 square, 1 upon 3 square, 1 upon 5 square. Right. Okay. So here 2 we can take out. 1 upon 1 square, you can see all are plus. We need plus itself. Means what should be your x? हे तुमचं 1 झालं पाहिजे, हे पण 1 झालं पाहिजे, हे पण 1 झालं पाहिजे.
0.
2 बाहेर पडेल.
0.
Right? So we are writing x is 0. So we get everywhere we are doing that. So f of 0 is equal to, यातनं 2 बाहेर काढूयात. 4 into 2, 8 by pi square. Is there any doubt? You said something? No. Okay. 2 is out. So 4 into 2, 8. It is cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. 1 by 1 square. Again, cos 0 is 1. 1 by 3 square. 2 is already out. Again, same cos 0. 1 by 5 square. Out. Okay. So this is what we need. So we shift that to the left hand side, and what will multiply here? Pi square goes up, 8 goes down. So it is pi square by 8 into f of 0 is equal to 1 by 1 square, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 5 square, plus so on. Right. Now we need that value f of 0. We have to find that. And what will be the f of 0? If you see the deduction is pi square by 8 is equal to this. So what will be the value of f of 0? It should be 1.
1.
Right.
1.
So how to obtain that? आता प्रॉब्लेम असा आहे, आता मी इथे लिहितेय आणि खाली सांगते की कसा तो f of 0 1 आहे. Here f of 0 is 1, so we get pi square by 8 is 1 by 1 square, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 5 square, 1 by so, as the deduction, required deduction. Okay. The problem is function is breaking. So f of x is this 1 plus 2x by 5 on minus pi to 0, and 1 minus 2x by pi in 0 to pi. This is the function. And we need f of 0. म्हणजे तुम्हाला फंक्शन मध्ये इथे 0 दिसतोय, पण हा स्ट्रिक्टली लेस आहे, यानी इथे 0 घेतलेला नाही. घेतलंय का? x is less equal असता तर म्हटलं असतं की 0 घेतला गेला, इक्वल टू 0 आहे, पण इथे स्ट्रिक्टली लेस दॅन 0 आहे, म्हणजे तुम्ही 0च्या मागेच थांबतायत, 0 कव्हर होत नाही. ओके. सेम हिअर, x is strictly greater than 0. इथं पण ग्रेटर इक्वल साइन नाहीये, म्हणजे 0ला तो डिस्कंटिन्युअस आहे. अशा वेळी यू कॅनॉट डिरेक्टली राईट f of 0. बरं, आता मी एक विचारते तुम्हाला, इथे जर लेस इक्वल असता, ओके, डिफाईन असा असता, तर f of 0 काय घेतला असता तुम्ही? x0 इथे आला, त्याच्यासाठीचं फंक्शन हे झालं. इथे 0 घेतला की नाही x ने, x is equal to 0 इथे आला, मग आपण x is 0 ला फाइंड करतोय, म्हणजे हे फंक्शन झालं. मग फंक्शन मध्ये x ला 0 ठेवा, काय मिळालं असतं? f of 0
1.
1 मिळालं असतं. व्हेरी गुड. असं असतं तर, पण इथे घेतलेलं नाही. ठीक आहे. किंवा मग असं असतं तर x0 कुठे घेतला असता, इथे घेतला असता. याच्या अकॉर्डिंगली फंक्शन हे असतं. मग एफ ऑफ 0 काढायचा असता तर आपण हे फंक्शन कन्सिडर करून त्यात x ला 0 ठेवलं असतं. काय आलं असतं?
1.
1
1.
आलं असतं. एवढं तर समजतंय तुम्हाला. पण इथं कुठंच त्यांनी x इक्वल टू घेतलेला नाही, म्हणजे स्ट्रिक्टली डिस्कंटिन्युअस आहे. मग आपल्याला इफ एक फॉर्म्युला सांगते, इफ फंक्शन इज डिस्कंटिन्युअस at x is c, say some number, then f of c is equal to, if you want the value of that function at that discontinuity, it is nothing but limit x tends to c minus f of x plus limit x tends to c plus f of x upon 2. This is called c minus is called left hand limit and this is called right hand limit, LHL plus RHL by 2. Okay, now this is happened with our function. Function is discontinuous as 0 and we want the value at 0, f of 0, right? So what is f of 0? I'll define here. So therefore, f of 0 is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus f of x plus limit x tends to 0 plus f of x upon 2. आता आपल्याला इथे एफ ऑफ एक्स लिहायचे. 0 मायनस म्हणजे कुठलं फंक्शन, जे एक्स इज लेस दॅन 0 आहे. 0 मायनस म्हणजे 0च्या मागे. ठीक आहे, मग कुठलं फंक्शन येते?
1 plus 2x upon pi.
Right. So can I write it here 1 plus for that f of x 1 plus 2x by pi? For 0 minus function is 1 plus 2x by pi. 0 minus is actually x is less than 0 and x 0 plus is x is greater than 0. So now we are writing here f of x 0 plus what is the function? X is
1
greater
minus
than
2x
0,
upon
right? 1 minus 2x by pi. So we can write here 1 minus 2x by pi. Okay, so this minus and plus are just to identify the function and nothing else. Then we have to put x is 0 here, limit x is 0 here. So what we get here is
1.
1. Put x at 0 in this, put limit as 0. So 0 upon anything 0, so here it is 1 plus limit 0 again here,
1.
1 upon 2. So 2 by 2, that is 1.
1.
So as this we get f of 0 is 1. Are you clear?
Yes,
If the
ma'am.
function is discontinuous, you can find like this. But okay, if there is the question, you can directly write here f of 0 is 1. We know. That's it. But for your reference, how it is 1, I showed. Any doubt up to this? It is over.
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay,
So-
good. Clear, everyone? Sure.
Yes,
So, right, we can go to the next question. Now, very important question. Find the Fourier series of, please do with me, find the Fourier series of, sorry, f of x is equal to mod x in minus pi less than equal x less than equal pi, and hence deduce that. And hence deduce that pi square by 8 is equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus so on. Okay. Given function is mod x and the given interval is
minus pi to pi.
minus pi to pi. Very good. So in minus pi to pi, you have to check even odd. So what is mod x?
even.
इव्हन, कारण तुम्ही एक्स मॉडच्या आतमध्ये एक्स ला मायनस एक्स जरी केलं तर मॉड ऑफ मायनस पण काय असतं, प्लस एक्स
Plus.
असतं, म्हणजे मॉड एक्सच असतो तो. बट तुम्ही हे फंक्शन घेऊन इंटिग्रेशन काढू शकाल का, इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ मॉड? नो.
No.
No, right? So for that we should define mod x now. How will you define mod x? Definition of mod x, very important. Mod x is, okay, we are in the interval minus pi to 0. So now I am defining the interval negative. Negative म्हणजे कुठून कुठं जायचं आपल्याला, all values should be negative. लेस दॅन 0 पर्यंत तुम्ही गेला म्हणजे 0 जाऊ नका, 0 पर्यंत जा, ह्या सगळ्या निगेटिव्ह व्हॅल्यूज येतील. सी हियर, दिस इज 0, दिस इज मायनस पाय, दिस इज पाय. इकडे ह्या सगळ्या निगेटिव्ह आहेत, म्हणजे मायनस पाय टू इथपर्यंत ह्या सगळ्या निगेटिव्ह आहेत, 0 सोडून द्या. सो मायनस पाय टू दिस ऑल व्हॅल्यूज आर निगेटिव्ह, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So we are going up to 0. 0 we consider it in positive. Always remember, when we consider 0, 0 is positive for that mod. Okay, so minus pi to 0 we define one interval, and the second positive interval we can define, it starts with 0 to pi. Here all x are positive.
Yes.
0
Yes.
less equal x less equal pi. Okay, this is how I break negative positive. So if it is like minus 2 to 2 and mod x is defined, how can we break this minus 2 to 2?
Minus
the
2 less
function?
than equal to
Right.
0.
And 0 to
minus 2 to 0.
0.
0 नाही पकडला आपण यात, म्हणजे कुठपर्यंत जाणार आहे आपण, minus 2 to minus 1
1.
जाणार आहे,
1.
राईट. आणि पुढचा इंटरवल
0 less than equal
0
to x.
पकडून
Zero.
जाणार आहोत आपण 2 पर्यंत. क्लिअर सगळ्यांना? निगेटिव्ह इंटरवल, पॉझिटिव्ह इंटरवल. म्हणजे आता ह्या इंटरवल मध्ये, पहिल्या इंटरवल मध्ये सगळे एक्स कसे आहेत,
negative.
Negative.
आहेत का? कारण हा निगेटिव्ह इंटरवल म्हटलं मी, सगळ्या एक्सच्या व्हॅल्यू निगेटिव्ह आहेत. मग सगळ्या एक्सच्या व्हॅल्यू निगेटिव्ह आहेत, तर मी जर ते डिफाईन करत असेल तर मला ते फंक्शन प्लस एक्सच हवंय. मॉड एक्स म्हणजे ती व्हॅल्यू मला निगेटिव्ह नको आहे. मग कसं डिफाईन करावं लागेल, एक्स तर आपले सगळे निगेटिव्ह आहेत, यामध्ये निगेटिव्ह ठेवलं तर व्हॅल्यू निगेटिव्ह येईल. मग कसं डिफाईन करावं लागेल, कॅन वी डिफाईन लाईक दिस,
Yes.
मायनस ऑफ एक्स. कारण यामध्ये सगळ्या निगेटिव्ह व्हॅल्यू ठेवा, निगेटिव्ह निगेटिव्ह बिकम्स पॉझिटिव्ह ऍज वी रिक्वायर लाईक मॉड एक्स. क्लिअर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
राईट. निगेटिव्ह व्हॅल्यूज ठेवून निगेटिव्ह साइन जर दिलं तर सगळं पॉझिटिव्ह होईल, लाईक मॉड एक्स इट विल बिहेव. आणि 0 to पाय मध्ये सगळे एक्स कसे आहेत, पॉझिटिव्ह आहेत.
Positive.
मग मॉड एक्स ला आपण काय म्हणूयात,
X.
एक्स म्हणूयात, कारण सगळे पॉझिटिव्ह ठेवल्यानंतर व्हॅल्यू पॉझिटिव्हच होईल. आता सर्वांनी ही डेफिनेशन ऑलवेज लक्षात ठेवायची, मॉड एक्स, वेन एव्हर इंटिग्रेशन मॉड एक्स येईल आपल्याला हे असं डिफाईन करावं लागेल. in any interval, minus pi to pi, say minus 2 to 2, say whatever. So in general, if it is mod f of x, it can be anything. How will you define this mod f of x? Mod,
Minus
mod.
Minus f of x.
Right, minus of f of x in negative interval, right? And
Positive.
plus f of x in positive interval. समजतंय का?
Yes, ma'am.
This
Yes.
is the definition. Very good. Remember this. Mod x now. Okay, how is interval? Minus pi to pi with one discontinuity at 0. So minus pi to pi, we check what? What we
Function.
check? F of x is even, odd, or neither even nor odd. Okay, so we have mod x. F of x is mod x, that is x in minus pi to 0. and sorry, minus x in minus pi to 0 and x in 0 to pi. This is the definition. Now we can see f of minus x. यामध्ये ठेवला तर लगेचच समजते. इथे मायनस ऑफ मॉड एक्स केलं तर हे लगेच मॉड एक्सच होईल. हे झालं एफ ऑफ एक्स. ठीक आहे. और याच्यामध्ये जर ठेवत असाल तुम्ही एफ ऑफ मायनस एक्स यामध्ये तर कसं होईल ते, एक्स ला सगळीकडे मायनस एक्स करा पहिलं. मायनस ऑफ एक्स इज मायनस एक्स. इथे पण मायनस एक्स, इथे पण मायनस एक्स आणि इथे एक एक्स आहे तो पण मायनस एक्स. wherever is x replaced by minus x. That is f of minus x is, what is this?
Plus
x.
x.
आणि आपल्याला मध्ये x हवाय तो सगळे साइन चेंज करा. पाय x आणि 0. 0 ला फरक नाही पडणार. आता हे मधले साइन्स काय होतील?
Greater than equal to.
Yes.
Greater.
And this is greater. Actually, if it is strictly less, it becomes greater equal. I told you. Okay, and this is minus x in, if it is less than equal, it becomes greater. Like that it defines. So it is 0
0
x
greater than.
minus pi. Huh? It is greater.
Greater than.
And this is also can be greater, greater equal, as these are the end points, they can be equal. Okay. So in between there is 0. So it can be defined as minus x. This is minus x on this interval. This is minus pi less than equal x less than 0. And x on 0 less equal x less equal pi. Is it same as f of x? Minus x in minus pi to 0 and x in 0 to pi. This is equal to f of x. Right? So anyhow we get function is even function. Mod x is easier. Don't do that. Do this only. Mod of minus x is itself mod x. So it is f of x like. So as it is even, what is 0?
bn 0.
Bn is 0. Right. And the Fourier series is f of x is, what is the Fourier series?
Not a
Yes.
naught summation a n cos n x n
Right.
equal to infinity.
Right. Where Bn is directly 0, no need to find. Where A naught is even odd case मध्ये modified definitions.
1 upon pi integration
Right.
0 to x dx.
0 to pi f of x dx. And An is
2 upon pi
2 upon pi,
By
0
pi.
to pi.
very good. 0 to pi
f of x cos n x dx.
f of x into cos nx dx. Correct. Now we are finding A naught and An. So A naught is 1 by pi 0 to pi f of x. What is the function on 0 to pi? We need it in 0 to pi. So over 0 to pi, what is our function?
X.
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 Just a minute. I am writing here f of x. This is f of x, right? F of x is mod x. Okay. F of x on 0 to pi. Is it x?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So we are writing here x. X dx. Take the integration. What is integration?
X square upon 2.
Right. X square by 2 from 0 to pi. Here 2 comes out from denominator. X is pi now. Pi square minus x is 0. Pi square by 2 pi. 1 pi get cancelled. And it is pi by 2. A naught is pi by 2. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Chalo. Next job is An. Solve and tell me the value of An. Take some time. Solve on your own. I'll define for you An 2 by pi 0 to pi, and what is the function on 0 to pi? F of x लिहायचं आहे. What is f of x on 0 to pi?
X.
X into cos nx dx. How will you solve the integration?
Leibniz.
Right, we can apply Leibniz. What is u?
X.
X, and this is v. Okay, go ahead, solve this. Tell me the answer, please. Waiting for your answer. Solve. Everyone is solving.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Solve this, tell me the answer. All are solving. I'm waiting for your answer. Everyone is able to apply Leibniz now. If you are done, you can tell me the answer. Finished? Chalo. Tell me now.
Minus 1 raised to n upon n
Okay.
plus 1 upon n square.
Plus 1 upon n square. Is it like this? Is it like this? 1 upon n square?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Plus
Into what?
plus minus 1 raised to n upon n.
No. No. Anyone else got the answer?
Minus 1 raised to n plus 1.
Minus 1 raised to n plus 1. What is this here?
Plus
Into?
into.
Is it plus?
Yes, ma'am.
No. No. ओके, दिस इज व्हॉट हॅपन्स. जेव्हा मी करते तेव्हा तुम्हाला खूप छान वाटते. आता हा खूप सोपा लेबनीज आहे. फक्त एक्स आहे, दोनच टर्म्स आहेत. ओके, व्हॉट इज द आन्सर? एनीवन एल्स?
2 upon pi, 1 upon n
Huh?
square plus
Huh?
1 plus 1 upon n square
Plus 1
plus 1 upon n square.
plus. What is this? Is this correct?
Yes, ma'am. Minus 1 raised to n minus 1.
Yes, it is minus 1. Now it is correct. Are you getting this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Check. Where are you wrong? Please check. कारण नेहमी मी सॉल्व करून होणार नाहीये, तुम्हाला पण ते आलंच पाहिजे. बघा निघतंय का कुठे प्रॉब्लेम होता तर. ओके चलो लेबनीज देन. Here u v1, what is integration of cos sin nx upon n, correct, minus derivative of this 1 integration of this
minus cos
upon n into n square. This is over from 0 to pi. 2 by pi, upper limit is pi, sin n pi 0. Here again upper limit, so minus plus cos n pi upon n square. Minus lower limit, we are writing x is 0, so 0 into anything 0, plus cos 0 upon n square. Minus is plus, so here it is plus. Think about the signs. So 2 by pi, cos n pi upon n square minus cos 0 upon n square, 1 upon n square is common. Here it is cos n pi is minus 1 raised to n, khali lihle mi, so cos n pi lihte. Okay, so it is cos n pi minus cos 0, and cos n pi is minus 1 raised to n and cos 0 is 1. This is your an. Easy hota? Ala pahije tumhala. Is there any doubt now? A naught is done, an is done, bn solve करायचा आहे का आपल्याला?
no
नाही. चलो, therefore we can write now the Fourier series. Therefore equation 1 becomes f of x is equal to a naught. What is a naught? Check.
Pi by 2.
Right. Plus summation an जो आता आलाय 2
by pi
pi n square minus 1 raised to n minus 1 into
cos nx.
right cos nx is the required Fourier series. See, is there any deduction? Yes, and deduction is open, so we have to open up the series. So it is pi by 2 plus what can come out?
2 by pi.
Right, as constant 2 by pi comes out, summation minus 1 raised to n minus 1 upon n square into cos nx. Open that sum now. This is plus here, it goes there as minus 2 by pi as it is here. What is the first term? If n is 1, minus 1 raised to 1, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 upon 1 square cos 1x. What is if it is 2?
0.
0
Minus 1 square plus 1 minus 1 0. What if it is 3?
minus 2 upon 1 cube cos
Minus 1 cube minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 upon 3 square cos 3x. If 4?
0
0.
If 5?
2 upon 5 square.
Minus 2 by 5 square cos 5x plus 0 and plus so on. Okay, this is what we open now, and your deduction is 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square. We need plus, so what we can take out?
minus 2 common
Minus 2 we can take out, so 2 into minus 2 minus 4 by
Minus
pi. Here it is 1 by 1 square cos x plus 1 by 3 square cos 3x plus 1 by 5 square cos 5x plus so on. Okay, we are there. What should be your x? We need
0
1 here. 1 by 1 square, he paije, he paije, he 1 paije, he 1 paije, he 1 paije. We can check for x is 0. Do this. So here if we put x is 0 mod 0, that is 0 minus pi by 2. हा इकडे आणा into काय होईल
pi by minus 4.
Right. So pi by minus 4 is equal to 1 by 1 square. Cos 0 is 1 plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus so on. Okay, that is minus becomes plus, and it is pi square by 8. Is it required?
Yes.
Yes. So we get pi square by 8 is equal to 1 by 1 square, 3 square, 5 square plus so on as required. Plus so on this way that as required. Deduction. बर काही लोक फक्त अटेंडन्स साठी असतात का लास्टला? असं आहे का? तेही डिफरन्स मला समजते कारण मी मध्ये एकदा अटेंडन्स घेतलीये. तुम्हाला हवा असेल तर लगेच सांगू का कोण ऍड झालंय? रिमूव्ह होऊ नका, आता राहू देत. असं करू नका, ऍटलीस्ट फॉर मॅथ्स. समजेल का नंतर काही तुम्हाला? चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, राइट इट डाउन. That will be homework for you. तुम्ही ट्राय करणार आहेत आज. Find homework. Find the Fourier series of f of x is mod sin x in minus pi to pi. It is like mod x, okay? Define like mod x. And next question, second. Find the Fourier series of f of x is equal to x plus x square in minus pi to pi, and f of x plus 2 pi, it is like periodic function of period 2 pi. This is the definition. Hence deduce that. First, pi square by 6 is 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus so on. And second, pi square by 8 is 1 by 1 square, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 5. 0 to 2 pi वरचा होमवर्क दिलाय का रे मी तुम्हाला? नाही दिलाय ना?
No, ma'am.
नाही, लिहा एक 0 to 2 pi वरचा. फाइंड. आणि करायचे तर ठेवायचे नाहीयेत, नुसते हे केल्याशिवाय होणार नाहीये. फाइंड the Fourier series of f of x is e raised to alpha x. Alpha is not equal to 0. It is like e raised to ax in 0 to 2 pi. In the interval 0 to 2 pi. So these are the three homework and I expect everyone will do that. आणि जिथे प्रॉब्लेम येईल तिथे मला विचारायचं आहे. कसं विचारता तुम्ही मला? कधी विचारलंय? विचारलंय का कधी? ज्यांनी विचारलंय त्यांनी सांगा बरं कसं विचारलंय. तुम्ही हे सॉल्व करायचंय सगळं आणि माझ्या व्हॉट्सअपला पाठवायचंय पर्सनली. मी चेक करून तुम्हाला सांगते करेक्ट आहे की रॉंग आहे. आणि जर तिथे मी सॉल्व नाही करू शकले, बिझी असेल, तर आपण क्लासमध्ये ते घेऊयात. ठीक आहे, सॉल्व इट. Okay, this is done from my side. Do you have any doubt? You want to ask something? Nothing? Good, then we'll stop. Thank you, bye bye. No need to put it in chat box. I never consider the chat box attendance, you know that. I take it while lecture is going on, so no need to put it here. तुम्ही इथे ठेवून जर आउट होत असाल सेशन तरी तुमचं ते कन्सिडर होत नाही. टाकत जाऊ नका. इट्स ओके. मी घेते माझी अटेंडन्स. चलो विल स्टॉप. थँक यू. बाय 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 बाय.